Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberts, the Daily Trader. It is August 31st, and we are going to take a look at the VIX, the Dow Jones, S&P 500, and also the Nasdaq. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how to use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions, but I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. The VIX is maintaining itself quite well, which is not great because we are in the high volatility area. So everything above 20 is considered high volatility. And we are stable right now in this high volatility. It's not coming down. It seems to be staying right where it is. We are, of course, into this bullish channel right here, and it's possible that we zigzag between the two while still coming up. What we would like for the stock market to go up is the VIX breaking this support line right here. So far, there's no sign yet that we want to break this. Let's go look at Dow Jones. So Dow Jones is continuing to go down. So we are getting close to 31,446.72. We could be bouncing on this. This remains to be seen. And we also have some interesting support at 31,222. It's possible that we stop there because they are the next support in line. If we look at the S&P 500, SPX, the same thing, we are continuing our descent, and we are for a second day very close to this support. So when we have a channel like this, the stock can zigzag between the two, or sometimes it can hug one of the trend line, either the support or the resistance, and just forget for a little while before going to the other side. It seems like this is what S&P 500 wants to do right now. We are hugging this support right here. In terms of indicators, stochastic at super low at 0.12. We have one line of MACD coming down below 0. We have RSI quite low at 36, and we like it to be over 50 to have a bull run. And we have the DMI, which has the red line, which is bearish, and the green line that is bullish. There's no indication yet in terms of the indicators that the index want to start moving up a little bit. There's not much indication either on the stock chart because we are making a lower high and also making a lower low. Let's look at Nasdaq Composite. Pretty much the same thing with Nasdaq Composite, except that we have not made a lower low in terms of the Nasdaq, but everything else in terms of the indicator is very similar to the Dow Jones Index, and Nasdaq 100 is pretty much the same thing as that Composite. So our indicators are in a downtrend, and they will remain into this downtrend until we break this resistance right here. And even if we move back up right here, then it does not necessarily mean that we are going to break this. If we break this, we also need stochastic over 60. This is what we need to keep watching. So thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.